In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a report in Screaming Frog. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your crawl results into a clean, shareable file that's ready for analysis or reporting. First, open Screaming Frog on your device. If you're new to it, Screaming Frog is a powerful website crawler used for technical SEO and site audits. Exporting a report lets you take the data you see on screen and work with it in your favorite spreadsheet tool. Next, enter the website URL you want to analyze into the address bar at the top and click Start. You'll see the progress bar begin to fill as the crawl runs. Wait for it to reach 100% so your export includes the full set of results. While it's running, and once it's done, you'll be looking at the main results table. By default, you'll be on the Internal tab, which lists pages and resources found on your site. From here, decide what you actually want to export. You can stay on Internal to get on-site URLs, switch to External to review outbound links, or open response codes to focus on server statuses. Clicking a tab changes the dataset in the table, and whatever you see there is exactly what will go into your export. To refine the data further, apply a filter. The filter drop-down above the table lets you narrow the view to just what matters. For example, choose Client Error 4XX to isolate broken pages, or pick Missing Alt Text if you're reviewing accessibility issues in images. Filters are your friend. They make the export precise and reduce cleanup later. When your tab and filter are set the way you want, click the Export button at the top left of the main results pane. This exports the data currently shown in the table, honoring any filters you've applied. It's a quick way to grab exactly what you're seeing without extra steps. Finally, choose your preferred file format. CSV is the most universal and works well for large datasets and data imports. Excel provides a familiar .xlsx file for formatting and pivot tables. Google Sheets is handy for team collaboration in the cloud if that option is available in your setup. Pick the one that fits your workflow, and Screaming Frog will generate the file with your selected rows and columns. That's all there is to it. Launch Screaming Frog, crawl your site, choose the right tab, apply a focused filter, click Export, and select your format. With this approach, you'll consistently produce clean, actionable reports in just a few clicks.